Dito guys and season na naman galing akong Mythic Honor dito, at 25 stars lang ang kinayanan ko. Kaya ngayon season try natin maging Mythical Glory, babalik na naman tayong epoch to hahaha. First game nag-Hayabusa core ako.
Welcome to Mobile. You have slain an enemy. Double kill.
I will be the target.
First game nanalo kami dito, dahil na rin malalakas ang kakampi ko dito, at si Gord ang MVP. Second game nag-Hayabusa ulit ako dito.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. You have slain an enemy.
Dito guys naubos namin ang kalaban kaya madali namin itong natapos. At si Lapu-Lapu ang MVP dito. Third game Hayabusa ulit ako dito dahil natututunan ko na itong gamitin.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. Seconds.
Not about rules. It's about a belief.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Godlike. Legendary! Request backup!
Let me clear the way for my love.
Si Velir ang MVP dito hindi ko talaga makuha MVP.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Fourth game Hayabusa ulit ako dito, hahaha. Hanggat hindi ko nakukuha ang MVP.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. You have slain an enemy.
It's not
Ally
about
has been slain.
it's about a belief.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
My only way.
Your team destroyed a attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Victory!
At wakas naging MVP rin hihihi.
Nice.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Last game at nag-Hayabusa ulit ako hahaha hanggat nanalo pa.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the... Your team destroyed the turret! Shut down! An enemy has been slain! Double kill! Wiped out!
Dito guys, mabilis namin natapos ang game dahil naging malalakas ang mga kakampi ko.
Story!
Limang wine ng strike agad ako dito guys, kaya pahinga muna baka gising na yung malalakas hahaha.